great people Nairobi National Park called, and we responded with none other than Mr. DNK. He will be sharing with us today his experience of birding with none other than Global Birding underscore Doreen.
Thank you so very much, Doreen Day. Thank you for introducing me to birding. We did Karura, it was very successful here in Nairobi National Park, and we have been able to experience various types of birds, the insect eaters, the seed eaters. We found these ones flying, others were swimming, and it was a nice experience to see how we have a natural heritage within birding community within the city of Nairobi, and we are able to see various aspects of the species, and I'm very grateful. Looking forward to going for more. Next is Aboseli in the south of Kenya, and then we'll also do parts of Meru, and I'm sure we'll have good documentaries that will spice up birding in Kenya. Thank you so very much.
Thank you
Cheerio!
so much. See you.